Step into the world of sewing with these amazing tips and tricks. There's so much you can do with some simple steps. You can even repair the holes in your clothes. Just watch this. All you need is a thread and a needle, and in this case, 8 toothpicks. That was wonderful, for sure. This is not all. You've got so much more to learn. You probably have clothes that need alterations, so why not do them yourself? Are your sleeves too long? There's something you can do about it too. You can never go wrong if you follow these steps. Adding the final touches. All done now. Have in mind though, that practice makes perfect. The more you work, the better you get at it. You'll fall in love with these ideas for sure. How good does this look? Remember that you can choose the thread colors yourself. This is pretty cute. Got any idea how this will end up looking like? Not much work is needed, but the difference, it makes it just amazing. This has probably happened to you at least once till now. Get ready and start working. You'll be done in no time, and then you'll get to wear your favorite clothes again. Way better. Here goes another trick when it comes to long sleeves. Another good thing is that you get to have fun while sewing. A beautiful solution indeed. We've got another beautiful and colorful idea for you. Everyone would like to have this design in their plain t-shirts for sure. Truly gorgeous.